Samsung has launched its new smartphone under S24 lineup globally called Galaxy S24 FE, with all new Galaxy AI features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy S24 FE features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1900 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Exynos 2400E chipset, paired with Xclip's 940 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128, 256, or 512GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Galaxy S24 FE sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 123-degree field of view, along with the 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K video at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 10-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4700 mAh battery, with 25 watts wired fast charging support, and 15 watts wireless charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with One UI 6.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162 by 77.3 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 213 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy S24 FE has been priced globally as follows. The smartphone will be available for purchase in blue, graphite, gray, mint, and yellow color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy S24 FE smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.